We have made it to our gate after the most tragic experience at security. Today we are traveling back to Vancouver, back home. The day has come, bro. Before I go and sit on a plane for 9.5 hours, I had to hit a workout. And that's what I'm gonna do this morning. So it's currently 10:30 in a bustling London on a Thursday morning. And let's go hit legs.
He's not feeling sad because he's gonna meet them in New York.
No.
Mama.
Let's both go to New York and meet them. Maybe we are missing them, we go and look them up. Honey? Okay? Abhi?
Okay, we have made it to our gate after the most tragic experience at security. They threw out my peanut butter. I told Amanda to pack it in last night. She's like, we don't have space, but I knew this is my organic peanut butter and nobody in London will eat it. Like my family in London will throw it out. The security officer took out our peanut butter and she starts laughing with the other security officer. Then she scans my peanut butter. Just throw it away at this point. She scans it and she's like, yeah, you can't take this. Like, that's my peanut butter. Amanda didn't even say sorry. She told me to shut up. Oh, my peanut butter. Anyways, first time traveling alone. No, yeah, make a thumbnail. It should be like this. No, I should be like, clickbait. Guys, our seats are so nice. But we got the very front one, and we got, there's 3 in the very front one, and we got the 2, and then there's 1 random person next to us. Low-key hoping it's that cute boy over there.
He's hoping it's no one.
Wait, I just said that so loudly.
I knew to show him so obviously.
Kill me, why do I do this to myself?
Extra.
Okay, now boarding groups 1 to 5. We're group 6, so just keep watching the board. You think he's cute?
Yeah, really cute. He looked at me. He was like this. He was like,
He looks like he's a little boy.
Raya. Let's scan it. Scan it? Yeah. Come on, run. Let's go. We're good.
I say this excitedly, but I know nothing is waiting for me at home except my Amazon parcels. Wait, we don't even have TVs. Oh, they pop out of here.
Oh, actually?
Ladies, everything needs to go up for takeoff.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's back here and there.
Where's my headphones?
You put it back.
No, I didn't. I put my charger back. We can't sleep. We can't sleep.
No, we can't. We're not. I'm not letting us be jet lagged. I'm sleepy. So, plane hasn't even started moving, but
She's already sleeping.
I'm already getting sleepy, guys. I can't.
And we're like, oh, we're not gonna sleep on the plane at all. We're not gonna sleep.
Like, anytime I get into a moving vehicle, well, it's not even moving it, I start getting tired and sleepy. It's like my personal movie theater. I can get up and go to the bathroom whenever I want. The bathroom is actually right there. Aviana's Bay, right there. We win. Oh my god. Bye, London.
Bye, London.
And that's the end of our Europe trip. And now it's time to go home. We just got home. It is currently 9 p.m. And when I tell you I'm exhausted, like, I don't mean it lightly. So I slept for the first 4 hours, and then the last 5 hours I did some editing. I watched the movie Megan. Oh, that went in my eye. The immigration was not bad. There was no immigration, which was funny because usually when we go with our parents, there's always immigration. Overall, this whole process of flying alone, super easy, lots of fun, and people are willing to help you. So it's not actually difficult. So if you are flying on your own, just know people are always willing to help you. Don't be scared to ask for help. I'm now going to use some castor oil on the ends of my hair, just a little bit. I have split ends and this really helps. I ordered so many parcels on Amazon before I came home and I forgot about them, and I came home and there was like 5 of them lying on my table, and you know that feeling, it's just so exciting. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing, so let's do this together quickly. Okay, item number 1. What the hell is this? Oh, did I actually order these? Black sweatpants. Oh my god, because I was literally gonna buy these at H&M, but then I was like, no. Wait, let me try them on quickly. I look like a guy. You see how loose these are? Like, this is like falling down. Like I'm gonna have to be like cinch it a little bit. This brand is Gildan. It's like this. And their sweatpants are really comfy. I have it in gray, that's why I bought this one. Number 2. Sunzel is a really good brand. So I got their shorts. This is what it looks like on the Amazon page. And this is what it looks like in person. And like it's almost the same except like look at the pattern. Which is not what I expected. But oh no, it has a scrunch booty. No, please say I ordered in small then. Bitch, I got medium. People with fat asses wear scrunch booties. I make fun of people in my head that wear scrunch booties but don't have an ass. Number 2, I got in red, and this is low-key a pink. Or like an orange. That's also scrunch booty, so. New workout shorts. Lastly, my digital food scale. I know none of you care because none of you track your macros, but you should. And I break mine every 2 months, so I had to buy a new one. I don't know how, but this is my new beauty. And hopefully I don't break it. Y'all excited for drugs? I'm excited for my digital scale. We have milliliters, ounces, grams. Okay, per. I hope you enjoyed coming with me to Europe. I mean, this trip was amazing. I'm gonna do a recap video, not tomorrow, but the day after that, like a recap of Europe. And I'm just so grateful for everything. Like, it's easy to say that, but truly, Europe was amazing. I definitely enjoyed myself. Remember, take risks, travel alone, have fun. Like, life is an adventure. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day. You know, you already know I don't know. I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas.